All right, motovloggers, you've got the bike, the open road, and a camera capturing every turn. Awesome! But here's the secret sauce. Editing. It's like fine-tuning your engine for peak performance. Basic cuts are just the start. Let's crank it up a notch. Think about jump cuts, time lapses, and speed ramps. These add dynamism and keep viewers glued to their screens. Ever notice how top YouTubers use music and sound effects? They're game changers. The right soundtrack makes your motovlog cinematic. Sound effects like engine revs and tire screeches, pure immersion. Remember, editing is about storytelling. It's about taking raw footage and crafting a narrative that resonates with your viewers. Take your time, experiment, and watch your motovlog transform. Dive into the details. Color grading can set the mood, while text overlays can provide context or highlight key moments. Don't be afraid to use split screens or multicam edits to show different perspectives. Creative transitions can make your video flow smoothly. Review your edits, make final adjustments, and don't rush the export. Quality takes time. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, upload it to YouTube and share it on social media. Engage with your audience and get feedback. Respond to comments and build a community around your content. Your viewers will appreciate the effort you put into your videos. Keep learning and improving your editing skills. Watch tutorials, experiment with new techniques, and stay updated with the latest trends. Enjoy the ride, capture new footage, and always plan for your next video. Editing is your engine, so keep it running smoothly. Let's talk overlays. They're like those cool gadgets on your bike. They enhance the ride. In motovlogs, they add context and visual interest. Maps are like your trusty GPS, showing viewers your route. Use them to highlight scenic stretches or interesting pit stops. Speedometers. They add that extra layer of excitement, especially during those high-octane moments. And don't underestimate captions. They make your content accessible to a wider audience, including those who might be watching with the sound off. Plus, they can add humor or emphasize key points. Remember, overlays should enhance, not distract. Use them strategically, keeping the focus on your ride and your story. Ever set out on a ride without a destination in mind? The thrill of the unknown, the freedom of the open road. It's exhilarating, isn't it? It can be fun, but for your motovlog, a little planning goes a long way. Just like a well-planned ride, a well-thought-out content strategy can make all the difference. Think of it as mapping out your content journey. Each video is a stop along the way, guiding your viewers through an engaging and exciting adventure. Start with a content calendar. This is your roadmap, your guide to what lies ahead. This doesn't have to be fancy. A simple spreadsheet will do. The key is to have a clear plan. Jot down video ideas, target published dates, and any relevant notes. This helps you stay on track and ensures you never run out of content. Next, brainstorm different video formats. Variety keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Maybe it's a scenic route review, a bike maintenance tutorial, or a vlog about your latest motorcycle gear. Variety is key. Mixing up your content keeps things fresh and exciting for your viewers. Remember, consistency is king on YouTube. Regular uploads build trust and loyalty with your audience. A content plan helps you stay organized, motivated, and most importantly, consistently deliver awesome content to your subscribers. So, gear up, plan your route, and hit the road to motovlog mastery. Time is precious, right? Batch filming is like hitting that turbo boost for your content creation. It's about maximizing efficiency and staying ahead of the game. Instead of filming one video at a time, dedicate a day or two to film multiple videos at once. Choose locations that complement your video ideas, plan your outfits, and gather any props you might need. The beauty of batch filming, you'll free up more time to focus on other aspects of your channel, like editing, promoting, and engaging with your audience. Remember, quality over quantity always. Even with batch filming, maintain your standards and make sure each video is engaging and well edited. Section 5, YouTube Analytics, your channel's GPS. YouTube Analytics sounds intimidating, don't sweat it. It's like your channel's GPS, providing valuable insights to guide your content strategy. Dive into metrics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rate. They tell you what's working and what needs tweaking. See viewers dropping off at a certain point, time to spice things up, pay attention to audience demographics. Knowing who's watching helps you tailor your content and connect on a deeper level. Are they mostly young riders or seasoned veterans? Remember, YouTube Analytics isn't about vanity metrics. It's about understanding your audience, refining your approach, and ultimately growing your channel. Section 6. Engaging your audience, the art of the ride-along. Motovlogging is more than just pointing a camera at the road. It's an immersive experience that invites your viewers to join you on your journey. It's about bringing your viewers along for the ride, making them feel the wind in their hair and the thrill of the open road. Engage them, make them feel like they're right there with you. Talk to the camera, share your excitement, your thoughts and your observations as you ride. Share your thoughts, feelings and experiences. Let them know what you're thinking, what you're feeling and what you're experiencing in real time. It's like chatting with a friend while cruising down the highway. Make it personal, make it engaging and make it fun. Ask questions, encourage comments and respond to your viewers. This interaction makes them feel valued and part of your journey. Consider incorporating interactive elements like polls or quanda sessions. These can make your audience feel more involved and connected. Giveaways related to motovlogging gear can also boost engagement. Everyone loves free stuff, and it can be a great way to give back to your community. Remember, building a community is key to YouTube success. Engage with your audience, respond to their comments, and make them feel like they're part of something special. Engage with your audience, foster a sense of belonging, and watch your channel thrive. Celebrate milestones together, thank them for their support, and make them feel appreciated. Section 7. Collaborations, sharing the open road. Motovlogging doesn't have to be a solitary pursuit. Collaborations are like group rides. They bring fresh perspectives and expand your reach. Team up with other motovloggers in your niche. Go on a joint ride, review each other's bikes, or share motovlogging tips and tricks. Cross-promotion is a win-win. Don't limit yourself to just motovloggers. Reach out to photographers, filmmakers, or anyone with a passion for motorcycles and content creation. Remember, collaborations are about building relationships and creating mutually beneficial content. Have fun, learn from each other, and watch your channels grow together. Section 8. Promoting your motovlog, get your engine heard. You've poured your heart and soul into creating awesome motovlogs. Now, it's time to get them seen. Promotion is key to attracting new viewers and growing your channel. Share your videos on all your social media platforms. Don't just post the link, write a catchy caption, use relevant hashtags, and engage with your followers. Consider running targeted ads on YouTube or other platforms. A small investment can go a long way in reaching a wider audience interested in motovlogging. Remember, promotion is an ongoing process. Consistently share your content, engage with potential viewers, and watch your subscriber count climb. Section 9. Community building. Your fellow riders await. Building a community around your motovlog is like finding your riding crew. It's about shared passion, support, and camaraderie. Respond to comments, answer questions, and engage in conversations. Show your viewers that you're not just a content creator, but a fellow motorcycle enthusiast. Host live streams, Q&A sessions, or even meetups to connect with your audience in real time. Consider creating exclusive content or perks for your most loyal subscribers. Remember, a strong community can elevate your motovlog from a channel to a destination. Nurture it, engage with it, and watch it flourish. Section 10. Monetization, fueling your passion. Monetizing your motovlog can be a game changer. It's about turning your passion into a sustainable source of income, allowing you to invest more time and resources into your channel. Once you meet YouTube's monetization requirements, explore options like ad revenue, channel memberships, and merchandise sales. Collaborate with brands in the motorcycle niche. Sponsored videos, product reviews, and affiliate marketing can provide additional revenue streams. Remember, transparency is key. Be upfront with your audience about sponsorships and always prioritize authenticity and genuine recommendations. Section 11. The never-ending journey, constant learning and adaptation. The world of YouTube is constantly evolving. Algorithms change, trends emerge, and audience preferences shift. Embrace the journey of constant learning and adaptation. Stay updated on the latest motovlogging gear, editing software, and YouTube best practices. Experiment with new video formats, try different editing styles, and never stop learning. Engage with other creators, attend workshops, and seek feedback from your audience. Embrace constructive criticism as an opportunity for growth. Remember, the most successful YouTubers are those who are adaptable, innovative, and always striving to improve their craft. Keep learning, keep creating, and enjoy the ride.